Hello everyone. In this video we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is how to change the background of a chart in QlikView. So over here we are taking an example of bar chart. We can change the background of bar chart. So any other charts can also be used and the background of that particular chart can be changed. So I have loaded the data. I'll click on reload. So I've been using a data or data set as office city sales. I'll go to this particular canvas for QlikView document. Right click over here, click on new sheet object, go to the chart. I'll select this by default chart as bar chart. Click on bar chart, give the title as office sales, then click on next. So whichever parameters we want to take it at the dimensions, so that we will take. So I'll add market, I'll add the territory. So I'll add this. So I'll remove this particular. I'll keep on the market. From the office city sales, click on next. Expression window is open now. So we have to select the aggregation as sum from the table named as office city sales. Then click on this office sales, paste it, and then click on OK. So you can see over here in this particular expression window, you can add any other expression also, and a bar chart is going to reflect over it. Then if we want to display the values on the data points, so we can click on this. So we have to display the values on data points. We will make it interactive. Then click on next. So whichever order we want, so we can click ascending or descending. So we can click on next. Now whatever type of bar chart which we want. So this is basically a 3D angle. So this is the normal view. So this is basically the 3D angle. If you want the orientation as horizontal or if you want it in vertical manner, so we can take it. So if you want the shadow also, we can select. So I'll keep it as minimal. Click on next. So we are over here. If you want the plot color style as light gradient, so we can change it. So I'll click on next, click on next, click next. Now here is one option named as background. So if we want any other color, so we can change it. Click on OK. Click on next, 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 and finish. So this is basically the bar chart which we have created, and we have changed the background color also. So I hope you have understood how to change the background of a chart in case of QlikView. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.